figure this out.
What's wrong, Cindy?
Hi, Bobby. I'm so frustrated with these ratio problems. The numbers are so big and the math is so confusing. I wish there was an easier way to solve these types of problems.
Good news, Cindy, because now there is. It's Mr. Beard's patented ratio problem solving grid.
So here it is, the patented ratio problem solving grid. As you can see, it's essentially a 3x3 grid. The columns are labeled part, and whole, and the rows are labeled ratio, multiplied by, and actual numbers. And I'll explain how to use all these in just a minute. Now let's take a look at a typical middle school ratio problem. The ratio of men to a woman at a concert is 2 to 7, which means that for every 2 men at the concert, there are 7 women. If there are 774 people at the concert, how many of these people are men? And how many of these people are women? Let's solve this problem using the patented ratio problem solving grid. The first thing we have to do is identify the things that we're comparing. In this case, we're comparing the number of men to the number of women. So we have to write men and woman in the corresponding columns. So underneath the word part, we're going to write men. And underneath the other word part, we're going to write woman. Pretty simple. Then, underneath the labels, we have to write the corresponding numbers and make sure we get the right number with the right label. In this case, the ratio of men to women is 2 to 7. Make sure 2 lines up with men and 7 lines up with women. Then, very important, we're going to add the ratio numbers. 2 plus 7 is 9. So we put that 9 in the third column underneath whole. Now, back in the problem, it says there are 774 people at the concert. We're going to put that number underneath whole numbers, actual numbers, so the lower right-hand corner. Now, the middle row of the grid says multiply by. We have to calculate what do we multiply 9 by, in this case, to get to 774. 774 divided by 9, quite simply, is 86. And that 86 is going to go across the entire multiply by row. Now, all that's left to do is multiply down each column. In the men column, 2 times 86 is 172. And in the woman column, 7 times 86 is 602. We can confirm these numbers by adding across the bottom row. 172 plus 602 is, in fact, 774.
Wow, Mr. Beard's ratio grids sure make solving ratio problems easy.
They sure do, Cindy. But wait, there's more!
Mr. Beard's patented ratio problem-solving grids are guaranteed to work and are proven to solve ratio problems at the 7th grade level, 8th grade level, 9th grade level, 10th grade level, 11th grade level, and even 12th grade level.
Wow, high school level problem solved in only seconds? And to think, I'm only in 7th grade!
In addition to traditional white, Mr. Beard's patented ratio grids are available in 5 designer colors, including blue, green, orange, yellow, and pink. To get your patented ratio problem-solving grid, send no money. Simply sign up for Mr. Beard's Math Plus class or see Mr. Beard in Norton Middle School's room 201 for a no-cost, no-obligation sample. Ratio problem-solving grids are not available in stores. For more information, call Norton Middle School at 508-285-0140. That's 508-285-0140. Call today!